Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thank you for joining us. The video today brought to you by Country TV on Sky Channel 081. Well, the next couple of days we've got rough seas around our eastern coastline. This here on the satellite map, that's the leftovers of Victor, so it doesn't look like much at all. We're getting the leftovers from the storm that was there a few days ago, now hitting our coastlines. And to be honest, with the low still out there and a bigger high down here, the pressure gradient between the two is going to fuel even more sort of rough conditions around these coastlines. So anywhere from Northland down to Gisborne, and then Gisborne down to about Hawke's Bay over the next couple of days, and then by Friday it goes right down even towards Canterbury, and down there, by the way, different set of weather at the moment, that's for sure. Unlike northern New Zealand, which had a feels-like temperature of nearly 30 degrees by 9 a.m. on Tuesday, the South Island is going to be struggling to get to 14 or 15 degrees by Wednesday because of the cold change. And in fact, here it is. So you've got colder winds blowing through like this out at sea, southeasterlies, southerlies, and they're not overly warm. So your daytime highs across Southlands, Otago and Canterbury stretch from 12 degrees to maybe 15 if you're lucky. So it's a bit of a cold one. Patchy showers in there, that's the good news for the farmers and the growers who need it. And by the way, the North Island, it's a bit complicated with what's going on here, but basically the humid flow up here coupled with hot weather in the afternoon may see some really big downpours, even an isolated thunderstorm anywhere from Northland all the way down to about Wellington and Manawatu. There will be rain and showers and downpours amongst the sun and dry around the North Island on Wednesday. By Thursday, here's the leftovers of Victor out at sea. It could still be pushing in some dangerous beach conditions. Hopefully we'll start to see some conditions easing up here later in the week for the main holiday spots. But if you stay out of the water, just out of the sea for the next day or two, unless you're an experienced surfer who knows what you're doing, this is a bit rough out here, a little bit dangerous. We've got more rain and showers coming into the east coast of the South Island. That's more good news. Unless you're on holiday, then you're probably wondering what's going on with highs around 15 and drizzly showers coming through. It's not exactly midsummer. And we'll end here on Friday. The low moves away. It actually deepens a little bit further out here. It's a new system now. That could see a few more swells continuing to come in for maybe Canterbury, maybe Waited Upper and Hawke's Bay a little bit, but it should be easing by Friday to some degree. Use your judgment and common sense when you're at the beaches. Make up your own mind using the latest marine forecast and obviously the latest news that you've got. And finally, we'll end up here with the north. Easterlies coming through, and the long-range forecast as we go through to February, there are a lot of humid northerlies coming down across both islands. Don't forget, for the 10-minute long 10-day forecast, Sky Channel 081, that's Country TV. We're off tomorrow. We'll be back again on Thursday.